Hey guys, welcome back to my DIY. So we just now have gotten everything apart. This is actually a 3-piece mixer, and the problem that we have is that the hot water is not coming out as well. So we just now got everything taken apart. As you can see here, this is the piece that's actually inside the wall. You're going to notice here the rubber seal is good. I don't see any issues on the inside. Everything looks good, clean. So, and inside, I don't have any issues. I have one rubber seal and then the second one over here on the back side. And like I said, I'm not seeing any issues. So basically on this one here, we're going to reinstall. We're going to see how it works. Give our little multi-purpose lube. Let's go ahead and put her back together. Then we're going to turn back on the water and see what we're looking like. Now there's a set screw in here, so you're going to turn it, and this set screw is going to lock it in so you know you have it installed correctly. Then you're going to have the outside here. Go ahead, and this gets hand tightened on. You're going to see a little lip on the edge where you can tighten it down a little bit. You want to make sure it's not too tight, so this way here, when you're turning on and off the water, there we go. Now what we're going to do is we're going to turn the water back on, and we're going to see, make sure we don't have any leaks. That water's off, and then we'll check it out. We'll be right back. All right, so we now have our water on. We didn't have much change in the hot water coming out from down in the bath area. From the shower, it seems to be good. So let's tighten this down a little bit, stop the leakage. Alright, so now that we have our shower mixer tightened back down, you're going to notice we have no more leaking from up top. Go ahead and test her out again. Alright, completely off, no issues, no leakage. Let's turn it back on. All right, so let's go ahead and try the shower. All right, the shower, as you see here, the shower has perfect pressure. We already checked inside. We noticed there's no damage on the inside. So that means it's going to be our tub diverter down below. And this is not correct, and that's why the water is not flowing out in the tub, because this here is a secondary bathroom, especially for the kids, so we want to make sure we have this shower up and running. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go on and we're going to check out here our tub diverter, because that's obviously going to be the issue. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and start taking off our tub diverter. We're going to see what the issue is going on in here. So what we're going to do now is we're going to test it. Here that we have it off, we're going to test it and see how it runs. Just hot water. Alright, there's the pressure of the hot water. Now let's go ahead and try it on the cold. Yep, you can already see that the pressure is much stronger on the cold and half on the hot. And that would have to do with our pressure on our hot water or tankless water heater, most likely. Because we already see it's not any issues here in the plumbing.